Nowadays, there are so many Wi-Fi routers around different places, such as schools, colleges, universities, hospitals, and even public entertainment places. So guys, if you do have a laptop computer, you can go there and use internet by connecting your laptop computer to those Wi-Fi connections. Hello guys, my name is Makonnen Gete. How are you? I am from DeepSite, which is our YouTube channel. In this channel, we make videos about ideas such as universe, computer, hardware, software, and even programming languages such as C++, Python, PHP, Java, XML, and HTML, and other programming languages. So guys, if you like our video, please give me thumbs up. And also don't miss to subscribe our channel. As you subscribe the channel, you will get notification as soon as I publish a new video every time. Just to subscribe, go immediately below the video and click on subscribe button, and also don't miss to open the notification bell. So guys, after watching this video, you will connect to the internet and use internet without any interruption or any problem. Keep watching this video to the end. Okay, anyway, let's check before fixing the problem whether we can use internet without any problem or not. This can be done just by connecting your laptop computer, especially Windows operating system, to any Wi-Fi connection available there. Okay, now look guys, here we go to the Wi-Fi icon. Click on Wi-Fi icon. Here we are connected and secured. We have Wi-Fi access, and we entered the password and we connected our laptop to this Wi-Fi. So after refreshing, we go to any browser we like. For example, I have Opera. Then let me check whether it connects to the internet or not. For example, let me click here YouTube. Let me open YouTube. Look, here we are connected. We are connected, but it does not function. It says no internet. For example, let me open new tab. Click again on YouTube. The site cannot be reached, means there is no connection. Okay guys, as I told you before, if you have a laptop computer, you can go to any Wi-Fi access or Wi-Fi connection, and by making connection of your laptop with any one of the Wi-Fi connection available, you can use internet as you want, as you like. But guys, here comes one problem into existence. What is that problem? Sometimes your laptop computer may not be able to connect to any Wi-Fi connection. Why? Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So after watching this video, you will be able to use internet without interruption or without any problem. Let's get started. Just go to your computer desktop and you will get control panel. By the way, if you can't get this control panel icon, just go to start and type control panel. Control. Okay, here comes at the top. Click on that. Okay, here comes a lot of things, but our interest is on network and internet. Please click on that button. At the top, we have an option of network and sharing center. Click on that. After that, on the left hand side, we have change adapter settings. Click on that, guys. Okay, here we have two alternatives, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. But our interest is about Wi-Fi. Select by clicking on that and right click, then go down here and click on properties button. Okay, here we have a lot of things, but our interest is on Internet Protocol version 4. Select that by clicking, then go to properties, click on that. Okay guys, here we have used the following DNS server. Look this, use the following DNS server. Click this. So after clicking this and this are active, here we have a space to be filled. So here fill 1111 1 space 1 space 1 space 1, and here fill 1 space 0 space 0 space and 1. Here 111, at the bottom 1001. After filling that, click on OK. Now click on close. Okay, close this window. Again, close this window. Okay, anyway, let's refresh our computer. Okay, guys, now I hope our problem is completely fixed. Let's check. Okay guys, to check whether our problem is completely fixed or not, just go to the Wi-Fi icon on the right bottom corner, then click on that. Here we have one Wi-Fi connection which is available and secure but not connected. Click on that. So here click on connect. Okay, now it's connected and secured. So to check whether the problem is completely fixed or not, just go to any browser you like. Here we have Opera Me. Okay, Opera is completely opened. Then click on one of the websites available here. For example, let me click on YouTube. Okay, the YouTube homepage is opened. Okay, it functions. Here, let me search my YouTube channel, which is called DeepSite. Okay guys, I get my channel, then click on DeepSite. Oh, it functions. So our problem is completely fixed. You can select any one of my videos and watch. After that, please subscribe to my videos, then you will get notification as soon as I publish a new video. Okay guys, this is all about today's topic, which is called how to fix our connection problem of our laptop computer, especially Windows operating system, to any Wi-Fi connection available around us. So guys, don't miss to like, share and subscribe our channel, which is called DeepSite, a place where you start to look out of the box. If you do have any question, please let me know by leaving your comment in the comment section down below. In the next time, we'll meet with another very useful idea. Then, till the next time, thanks for watching. Till the next time, goodbye.